Back to your girl Nisha B's channel. I'm going to show y'all how to draw blood by drawing blood on myself. So, got my stuff set up, getting it set up. Got my tourniquet. I got my tubes, of course. Boom. Then I got the alcohol pad. I just opened it, cut it off. Gloves. And of course, the butterfly. So, so one thing, you want your gloves, you want to make sure you got the right size of gloves. It's not drooping over your fingers because the looser the gloves is, the more harder it is to palpate for a bite. Alright, we're going to use a butterfly with a hood. Look at my butterfly. I just got it out my little package. So, butterfly, pre-packaged butterfly. We are using a 23 gauge butterfly. So let me get the hood. This is the hood. So you're simply just going to take the needle and open it up. Just twist it down. That's it. Twist. So we can use the tourniquet. It helps them. You get yourself more room to tie it up. So it's going to be kind of hard for you to tie, but it's okay. Look at that. So this is not my proper tie. It's just to let you know this is me tying my own tie. Now, close my hand. See, here's the vein right here. Tap on it a little bit, make sure it's good and bouncing. Alcohol helps the vein pop out, and of course you get the alcohol to clean the area. It is my big old AC vein in the middle, my intertubular vein. Okay, so I'm going to bevel up, make sure the bevel is up, and these pads right here, you kind of tend to want to hold like that. That's another way to help you know that the bevel's up inside looking at your bevel. Alright, and then make sure I got a good angle to see it. And just kind of stick it. Just like so. 1, 2. It's so hard to draw your own blood sometimes. Ooh, I missed. Hold on. Got it. My bad. Had to leave. I believe I got the flash. Alright. So, do green and gold. People love you to do gold first. Just to make sure you catches all the skin particles and everything. So, gold. Technically first. Green. So, alright, now, nowadays you really want to supposed to hold your arm up. I just want to show you how to close that. Yeah, you want to invert? Your inversions. I had a piece of tape, I would have taped it. I don't really. Okay. Didn't really bleed that much. You got it. So just slowly invert. Listen, inversions. However many times. I kind of try to go like 10. I might have overdid it, but it's not really good. So, and you invert your gold top too. Now your gold top, only thing I'm gonna say about the gold top is that your glue is not supposed to spin down until it all the way get clotted. This is a clot tube. It's a certain separating clot tube. It clots by itself. So do not be alarmed of a red or a gold being clotted because it's supposed to clot. Okay, it's supposed to be clotted before it is spun down. That's the proper way of handling this specimen. Alright guys, so that is it. That is how you draw your glue. You just want to make sure, draw this example of drawing blood. But just make sure you use your sharps container, that wig. And if I was a patient, of course, do your patient identifier, ask the patient their date of birth, name, and all that good stuff. And if you got a scanner on band, scanner on band, because that's what we do now here in my facility. Alright, if you like today's video, you found today's video helpful, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe. Alright, bye bye.